Academy, and in this video I'll be showing you how to download and install the latest version of Primavera 6 Professional onto your Windows laptop. We're going to point you to the Oracle site where you get into an agreement with how you're going to use the software. And from my perspective, between you and me, this works really well. You're only going to use the software for learning. I really don't recommend using it for any commercial use. Academy is not affiliated with Oracle. Don't resell the software. Read the legalese, and let's get started. So here's what we'll do is just grab a browser and punch in, right like I've done it here, edelivery.oracle.com. Go ahead and navigate there. So you'll want to do the standard kind of thing when you hit a website that requires you to sign in. You'll have to create an account, go through the whole process, give them your information, validate, get the email back, and once you're logged in, we'll be ready to grab the software. So once you're logged in, you'll get this search bar, and what we'll do is we'll just type in Primavera 6. Now go ahead, even though there's this kind of populated, go ahead and hit search so we get the results. Now, there are a bunch of results that come back, and let me point you to the right one. There's different flavors and different versions here. What we want to do is scroll down to the bottom and find the entry that starts with REL, standing for release, so this release, and Primavera P6, not Enterprise. Let's keep going to P6 Professional Project Management 24.12. That's the latest version as of January 2025. So, once you click that, it says like it's added to your cart, and you can scroll all the way back up this page, and on the top right you'll see this entry that says view items, and then click continue on the little pop-up that takes you kind of like to your cart, so to speak. So here we go. We're just going to confirm I've got the right one, Professional Project Management 24.12, and just have a look here. It says platform, it only says Microsoft Windows, so I'm sorry. If you happen to be an Apple user, P6 only runs on Windows, and you'll have to find a Windows computer to make this work. Okay, so let's click continue. And what we want to do is, because you guys love legalese, you're going to read the standard terms and restrictions agreement and agree to it. Now, I'm telling you to read it so that you know what you're agreeing to. Click continue. Here we go. Now we have a bunch of files. Now, what I like to do is download these files individually instead of using the download button. We can actually grab the files that we want and right-click and save it. So the first one here is the applications file. See, it says applications. We're going to right-click and do save link as.